Scientists, I'm Professor Beakerz. Welcome back to the Beakerz Lab, where today we are learning about our 5 senses. So make sure you have your Beakerz box, grab mom, dad, or another adult, and meet me right back here. Today we are talking about our 5 senses. Do you know your 5 senses? Can you hear? That's one. Sound. Can you see? That's another. Sight. Can you smell? That's another one. Can you taste? That's another one. And what's the last one? Oh, Lulu Llama, you feel so soft with my sense of touch. Those are your 5. Today, let's start with sound. How do we hear? Well, sound travels in waves. Can you show me waves and vibrations? And these waves and vibrations travel to our ears, our outer ear, and then they enter into our ear canal. So if you have your ear diagram, you can see how it works. It enters our outer ear, goes into our ear canal, and reaches our inner ear, which talks to our brain, and it tells our brain what we're hearing. Pretty amazing, right? Now, we can make sound and vibrations too with our vocal cords. Can you say vocal cords? Good job. If you put your fingers to your throat and say, ah, you can feel the vibrations that we make. Pretty amazing, right? Well, we are going to see if we can catch some sound waves today. So go ahead and get your bowl and your straws. Now, the bowl shape is going to catch the waves, and we're going to see if we can hear them. So have somebody whisper into their straw while you listen. Whisper only, because we want to see if you can catch the actual wave. It's so fun. Now, the next thing you're going to do is build your phone. That's right, you get to build a phone. You have string and 2 paper clips. The string actually helps the sound waves and vibrations travel farther. So you're going to tie a paper clip onto each end of your string. You're going to cut a hole onto each cup, and you're going to push the paper clips to the inside. Now make sure when you make your phone call that your line is straight and tight. If it's not tight, the sound vibrations fall, and you've dropped your call. So go ahead, give it a try, and I'll see you back here.